Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We're here in the Adelaide Hills to talk about the brand new 1.6 litre turbo Kia Cerato GT. We're going to start with the exterior styling, work our way to the interior layout, and then finish up with the performance and aspect handling of the car. So let's get straight into it.
At the front of the new Cerato GT, you see the famous tiger nose grille designed by Peter Schreier with the all-new red inserts. Peter Schreier's design team have certainly hit the mark with the all-new Cerato GT. We now have aggressive front and rear bumpers, new side skirts, and a very smart set of 18-inch alloys. The new Cerato GT has a suite of advanced safety features, things like cross-collision alert, autonomous emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Inside the car, you'll see a non-intrusive 8-inch touchscreen multimedia system where you find reverse camera along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and plenty of space for all your bits and pieces. The standard Cerato range features a 2-litre 112 kilowatt 4-cylinder. We get something a little bit different with the Cerato GT. We get the 1.6 turbo with 150 kilowatts. It's quite a performance. Some of the key performance updates with the new GT Cerato are things like independent rear suspension and a silky smooth dual clutch transmission.
So there you have it, the Kia Cerato GT. Stillwell Kia is Adelaide's biggest Kia dealership. You're more than welcome to come and see us at 17 Main North Road, Medindie.